What's up, you guys? So, today you guys are clearly in one of my RC cars. You're inside of it. But how? I stuck my GoPro inside of the Hoira BC. Like, just slide you in there, and then boom, you're in. Shut the door. Take you wherever I want to. Let's go. We're going everywhere. Probably do some. Hey there. You guys need to be adjusted like that. There. You are adjusted. Ooh, clean. Perfect. Now, thank you for watching this video, the first one on my GoPro. Yes, sorry if the quality is a bit bad, probably because the windshield is dirty. So, yeah, thanks for watching, honestly. Like and subscribe for 10 years of great